We are taking down summer and we're putting up fall today, and I'm so excited for this. Fall is my favorite time of the year, and so I love decorating for the autumn season. I went to Hobby Lobby and found the most beautiful copper ribbon. It's so cute, orange velvet. I also wanted to add an oversized rug and layer it up with a doormat as well. Got this from HomeGoods, only $29.99. For the entry, I want to add a few pops of color for the autumn season. Couldn't decide on a pot, but I ended up going with this one, and we're going to be making a fall bouquet. I actually went to Hobby Lobby and I found these natural dried stems. I got 3 different types, and we're going to be making a little arrangement for the entryway. These stems are quite messy and they're very stiff, so it's kind of fun if you get a few different types. That way your arrangement can look a little bit more effortless and put together. So this is how the arrangement looks. These were all very affordable. I'm talking like less than $10 for a bunch. And then we're just going to style up the entryway table. I went to HomeGoods and I found these 2 sets of candles. I couldn't decide, but I think I was going to lean more towards the red ones. They were so cheap. These were $3.50, and I love the color of them. I love how they tie in with the arrangement, and we're just going to set those on the entryway table. For this dough bowl, I actually had my potpourri from last season and it still smells great, looks great, so we are repurposing that for the entryway. I'm gonna keep it pretty simple, nothing too crazy. Before my coffee table, I have this oversized dough bowl, which is my absolute favorite, and I went to HomeGoods and I found this little pack of white paper mache pumpkins, and I wanted to kind of just mix them in. I love these kind of colors for the fall. And then after that, we switched out some of my couch pillows. We wanted to add some brown and a little bit more warm fall colors to the sofa. You guys will probably see me do this in a handful of my videos, but I love adding a queen size or king size quilt to the back of my sectionals. I do this for a couple reasons. One, it's a great way to add color, but also it's a great way to help protect your sofa from dirty kid hands. So if you have kids, try this out. It's my favorite little trick, and I do it all the time now, but I love it, and I just love the way it looks, especially in your living room. So for this glass cabinet, I also wanted to just kind of switch things up. I haven't touched this cabinet for a few months, and it was kind of nice to just spruce in and sprinkle some pumpkins in there. For my kitchen countertops, you guys have seen me use these glass canisters. I really do love and enjoy them, so we are going to be swapping some of these out. We're going to take the pasta noodles out today, and we are going to substitute them for croutons instead. I had 12 bags of these croutons in my pantry. Don't ask me why, but we're going to be using them for display because clearly we're not eating them. But I topped it off with rice, croutons, and then we also have my flour canister, which gets a lot of use. So we're just going to top these off and refill them back up, and I'm going to place them back on the countertop. For this corner of my kitchen, I have this really cute cookbook holder. So I have this book that's all about making boards and different types of boards. So I'm going to put that in the corner. And then I also went to Hobby Lobby and I found the cutest kitchen utensils. If you guys watched my Hobby Lobby video, you would have seen me talk about these, but I grabbed a handful of them. I love the color tone. They were so affordable. I'm talking like $2 to $7 max for these wooden spoons. So I wanted to add these to the base. Fall time, we do a lot of cooking. We're home more than we are in the summertime. So anyways, I wanted to add these to this cute little holder, and then we're going to place it by my stove. Last thing I want to do is I also want to switch up the artwork in my home. I feel like switching up your artwork is such a wonderful way to help change the seasons, and it can be really affordable too. So I have one of my prints from summertime that I've had up pretty much the whole year, but I want to swap it for one of my paintings that I did. I painted both of these. I love them both, but I think for the kitchen frame, I'm going to go with this one. I just love the colors and the water and the rocks, and it's just giving me the full fall vibes that I want. So I'm going to swap that for my kitchen countertop and dress it up with our little plant to go along with it. Of course, we can't have a decorating video without a little mid-time snack. My kids love these cinnamon streusel muffins, and you could just never go wrong. Now, last piece of artwork that we're going to swap out is the one in my glass cabinet, and we're going to seal it up just like this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this decorate with me video, but until next time, I'll catch you later.